The wife of Davido's cousin, Sina Rambo, Korth, Adelekes, has come out to accuse her husband and his sister of domestic violence.
I'll be like, I'm over-exaggerating. This is what my abusive husband did to this door. So you can only tell the things that he has been doing to me in this house. Look at this door. This is a very strong door. Look at it. This is it right now. His sister had the guts to put her hand on me. His sister, that dirty girl that smells. You are beautiful, but you are smelling. Look at what. When I told her that I only have love for her, she did this shit to me. And then after this again, I'm going to post the receipts of all the abuse that I have been receiving from these people. From Sina, from the family. I'm going to post every shit. Everything is going to come out today. I'll be like, I'm over-exaggerating. This is what my abusive husband did to this door. So you can only tell the things that he has been doing to me in this house.